Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add or remove people from Instagram groups. If you're using Instagram and you want to add or remove people from your Instagram groups, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on this message option or sometimes it might be here. So you just have to select the message option and you'll get all of your chats. Now you just have to select any group from which you want to add or remove people. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. Now from here you just have to tap on the group name and you'll get the group management section here. Now very first thing you have to keep in mind that to add or remove people from your Instagram group you might be the admin of that group. So you just have to select this people option and here you'll see all of the pupils you have in your group. So now if you want to remove anyone, just tap on the three dots and the name section here and then select the remove from group option and the person will be removed from your group. If you want to add any people, just select this plus friend option here and you'll get the all friends here. You just have to select which you want to add into your group, or you can also use the invitation link. So just tap on this copy option here, or here's the invitation link, just select that. Or you can also copy your link and share it to your Instagram, your Facebook, or your WhatsApp here. You can also use this QR code to allow people to scan and join. Or you'll see the option of share. You can also get more share options here. Just select the three dots here, more, and you just have to select with which say app you want to share. Let's say I'm going to select WhatsApp here. Just select WhatsApp, select the person, tap on send option, and the link will be sent to the person. Now, anyone can use the group to join your group here. So in this way, you can easily add or remove people from your Instagram group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.